Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss NCERT exercise number 3.3 in which we are going to do solve the questions by substitution method. Now what is substitution method? Substitution we can say here putting the value of one variable in other like this. We are having part number 1 x plus y is equal to 40 and x minus y is equal to 4, that is equation number 2. From one of the equation given above, choosing the simplest one. Here we are choosing 2. From here the value of x become 4 plus y, giving result number 3. We are using this value from 2 giving number 3, using in 1 we get x replaced by 4 plus y is equal to 40. From here we get 2y because y plus y become 2y. Shifting 4 on the other side, sign change, we get 10. So value of y become logical method double of which number gives us 10, that is 5. If we use it anywhere, we can use in 1, use in 2, but here we are using in 3 because we are having direct value of x from here. It is given by 4 plus y means 5. So value of x comes out here 9. Like this we can apply here substitution method. Another example, part number 2, we have given s minus t is equal to 3. First result, s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. Here the equation second is given in fraction. So by removing fraction means multiply whole equation by their LCM. LCM of whole become 6. If we multiply by 6, we get 2s plus 3t is equal to 36. If you see here, this is the simplest equation. This is multiple of 2 and 3. So from 1 we are getting the value of s. We always choose simplest equation first. Get the value of one of the variable. Now we are using this in 2, means from we can say 2 and 3. We get from here double of s. S value is given by 3 plus t. Plus 3 times t is equal to 36. If we open it, 2 multiply 3 becomes 6. 2 multiply t become 2t plus 3t. S is equal to 36. Like terms add up, shifting 6 on the other side, sign change, minus sign, we get overall 30. Again we are using logic method. In the table of 5, 30 comes at 6, means 5 6 are. So value of 6 t become here 6. Using this value in 3. So from result number 3, we are getting s is given by 3 plus t. T means 6. So value of x comes out here 9. Continue with next part, part number 3. 3x minus y is equal to given by 3, first equation, and the second is given by 9x minus 3y is equal to 9, second equation. From 1 we are getting the value of y, which is easier to get by shifting y on the other side, 3 on the left hand side. Value of y from here become 3x minus 3, result number 3. Now using these two results from 2 and 3. We are using the value of y from 3 in number 2. 9 times x minus 3 times y value, it is given by 3x minus 9 is equal to 9. Open the bracket, 3 multiply 3x, 9x, 3 multiply 3, it becomes 9. If you see here, outside minus symbol, first value become negative, second become positive. So 9x cancel out, 9 is equal to 9. It is 2 forever. It means if you use the value of one variable from one of the equation in the other and both the sides become equal, it means for every value of x and y, the given pair of linear equation has infinite many number of solutions. In this case, when both the values are equal, so we can see here infinite many solution. Next case, we are looking here part number 4. In part 4, we are having 0.2x plus 0.3y equal to 1.3. If we remove the decimal, we get 2x plus 3y equal to 13. In the same way, second equation can be written as 4x plus 5y equal to 23. From first, we are getting the value of x is given by 2x equal to 13 minus 2y. So value of x become from here 13 minus 3y whole divided by 2. Now from result number 2 and 3, from 2 and 3, we are using the value of 3. We get here, replacing here, 4 times value of x, 13 minus 3y, whole divided by 2, plus 5y is equal to 23. 2 cancel out, 4 at 2. 2 multiply inside become 26 minus 6y plus 5y is equal to 23. These two are like terms. Minus 6 plus 5 become minus 1. 26 minus y is equal to 23. If we use a logical method, 26 minus which value gives us 23? That is given by 3. So value of y comes out here 3. Now we are using from 3. We get here x is given by 13 minus 3 times value of x. Y here divided by 2. It becomes 13 minus 9 divided by 2. 13 minus 9 become 4 divided by 2 become overall 2. So like this we can find out value of x and y by removing the fraction from here first, then using the one value of variable in other equation and get both the variables. Now looking part number 5, it is given by cube 2x plus cube 3y equal to 0. First equation, and the second one is given by cube 3x minus cube 8y is equal to 0. If you see here, both the constant term are here 0. So we are using from 2, getting the value of x. Shifting this on the right hand side, symbol change. It is cube 3 times x. So value of x from here become cube 8 by cube 3 with y. As we solve from 2, so we are going to simplify these two equations from 1 and 3 using the value of x here. Cube 2 times cube 8 by cube 3 multiply y plus cube 3y is equal to 0. If you see here, y is common outside. Inside, cube 3 multiplies cube 8, cube 16, that is given by 4 by cube 3 plus cube 3 is equal to 0. As you know, by Bodmer's rule, bracket is considered as a single number. Y multiply which value gives us 0? This is a finite value. We cannot take it as a 0. So y should be 0. If we use this value in 3, what we get? If we use y equal to 0, 0 multiplying that become also 0. Means when we are having equation in which there is no constant term, these type of equation are known as homogeneous equation. The value of variable always comes out 0. Directly we can use in case of competition examination. Now we are going to use 6th part. First and second equation both are given in fraction. We simplify firstly fraction. We get 9x minus 10y equal to minus 12 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. From 2 we are getting the value of one of the variable, which is easier one. We are going to take here x. So value of x from here become 13 minus 3y divided by 2. As we use here second equation, now we are going to simplify with 1. From 1 and 3, we get from here 9 times value of x minus 10 times y is equal to minus 12. Removing the fraction, multiply each term by 2, we get this one, multiply by 2, this value multiply by 2, this value multiply by 2. 2 cancel out, bracket open, 39 is 117, 9 3 is 27, minus 20y is equal to become minus 24. These two are same symbol, add up minus 47, on right side become plus 47. It become minus 24, on left side become plus 24. So it become from here 141. Shifting of 47, it become divide. In the table of 47, it comes out at 3. Now, using this value in 3, so from 3, we can get the value of x. X is given by 13 minus 3 times y divided by 2. If you see here, 3 3s are 9. 13 minus 9 become 4 divided by 2, it gives us 2. So value of x become here 2.